desperate times. I hate this car. I hate this car. I hate this car. Don't buy one of these. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get right into getting the hood unstuck on this Mini Cooper. So it is a 2011 Mini Cooper Clubman. It's like 07 to 2015 or something. I don't know. I'll put the whatever that is. But the hood is, I'll show you a video of the latch right here. It stopped latching. I think in any of the other videos, if you've ever watched any on this car or any other car, there's a right about here, the cable comes up and across like a C-channel A-pillar, and there's a part here where it clips, kind of sets in and clips in, and I'll try to show you that if I can get this undone. And then it goes to two separate latches. Now in the videos, other videos, looks like somebody was successful at getting this one from the bottom and this one from the side, taking the wheel off. So I'm going to try to get both of them from the bottom, and hopefully that'll work. And I'm just going to use a pry bar. So I've already got it lifted up. I've got a jack stand under there, and then I've got a I've got the parking brake set, of course. And it looks like they go this way. So I'm going to get under there, and we'll see if we can't get it unconnected. Well, as you can see, things have escalated. I don't think I could have even showed you it from the bottom. This side here, the passenger side, is a little bit easier to see from the bottom, but still, I did knock the spring off with the pry bar, but I can't see anything else, so I couldn't get it to do anything else. So I don't know if you can see. I can't. So right there, that's it. So I'm gonna try and press on the little edge of it and see if I can't get it to go. Get the pry bar from this way. Problem is, there's nowhere for a light to go. So if my light's there, I don't know if my pry bar will fit. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, I don't think I can set the camera up, but I'm going to come in from here and I'll show you what I push on if I get it to go. It's been almost an hour and I've made zero progress. There was like a video and he's like, oh, just push in here, pop, it pops open. No, it's all lies. It's all lies. I can get to this one, you saw it. Everything I push, nothing will make it open. This one, I can get my fingers on it. It's jammed really, really tight. I can't get anything on it in any meaningful way to make it move. So I'm gonna open the hood and I don't even know. It's probably not gonna even do anything because I'm gonna get to this cable and it's still gonna be jammed somewhere, and I'm just gonna have a hole in my hood for no reason, and I'm just gonna have to cut this part of the hood off. So, yeah, desperate times. I hate this car. I hate this car. I hate this car. Don't buy one of these. I can't explain how close I was to cutting this hood off, but I decided to give it one more try. Here's the latch, and what you need to do, you know, besides having light, what this lever here is what needs to pull. So that drop, now I'll have to fix that with the spring. But so there's a U-shaped, bar fits in here, and as it closes and the spring's not on this, so it's going to be easier for us, it latches, and this piece latches. So the hood latch pulls this one, and obviously with the spring on it, then this would pop open and it will come out. The problem over here is you can't see nothing. You can barely get to it from the bottom, and then this brace here, right here, for this canister is almost impossible to get to. So the best I could do is, I can show you on this one right here. I got the pry bar right behind this wire, and this I yanked on this wire. Well, I pried kind of this way from down below. You can barely see, you know, part of this flange here. I think you can see this little corner from down below. I couldn't get the camera at an angle to even see it. But between here and here, the pry bar, I pried right here on this wire, and actually just pried this wire that way, and that's what did it. So now we'll see what the rest of the problem might be. This is where I suspect the problem to be. If it's not here, then I'm going to be angry. Yep, see that? This little piece this little ball is supposed to be in here. And with this little ball in there, yeah, there, see? That little ball goes in there. And then this is what pulls the latches. So I'll reset these. Hopefully it'll actually work, and see if they pop open. I've actually latched these now. I don't have the thing zip tied, but let's see if they'll pop open. Nice. Hopefully you saw that. I didn't. I was in the car, but open and open, and this is still good. So yeah, that's the thing. Like, I was seriously, I changed over bits on this thing, and I was measuring and watching videos because I was about to cut. So it looks like it's got to be here. I was seriously, and it would have had to cut through here. I was seriously about to cut a hole and get to this because I was very mad. But again, the trick is, so there's another video where he says he goes in sideways. I can't, there's two, if you can pull this, if you want to pull this fan switch out, I guess you can. I guess I could have pried it out. So here is the driver's side, and this plug here is kind of a problem, but you can kind of get to it. So if you could come in here from the bottom and get to that, you might be able to push it. I could not. This was in the way, this plug here. So I guess you can pop the plug off and maybe get to it. This plastic here is definitely in the way. You can't, this blocks most of your vision to seeing that. But yeah, if you want to break that out of there, you're going to break it when you pull this. When you pull this switch out, you're definitely going to break it. But if you can get to it, it might give you a little more room. But like, I came in from the other side of this, straight up, which is a 24 or so inch pry bar. So I was able to get that pry bar. I tried this long one, but I couldn't even get it up in here. This one, so I think I had it just like this. So it's angled that way, and I pried against that cable. So I literally used the cable and pried the cable itself away, because that's all I could see. I could actually barely see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together. Not yell, because I'm frustrated at this car, but yeah, be careful that this little latch thingy, if you're doing this job, it's connected correctly. They all, the little tab, there's supposed to be tabs here. You see that right there, it's broken. It's supposed to go in these holes. None of them work. They break off real easy. So best way is just to zip tie it down and hope that nothing happens. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, do the things that are free, and we'll catch you on the next one.